The next story I'd like to read to you to go with our science experiment is called Rain, and it's written by Marion Bauer and illustrated by John Wallace. The day is hot. The sun shines bright. The flowers wilt, the grass grows limp. Even the birds are still, and then a gray cloud covers the sun. The cloud is made of tiny drops of water. The drops grow larger and larger. They bump into one another, and they grow so heavy that they fall. Rain. The flowers drink, the grass drinks. The birds drink, the world is fresh and clean. The sun comes out again bright and hot. It shines and shines and shines until... Where did the puddle go? Into the air. What is it starting to make again? Into the sky, into that cloud up there. Notice how the cloud is getting bigger? And then the tiny drops of water gather into clouds again. The drops grow heavier and heavier until... Rain falls once more, and the whole world smiles. Now have fun making your rain clouds.